Hello and welcome back to another episode of mHUB Inside. Today we have another small shop project. We made a branding iron. So part of the Milwaukee rollout, we realized that a lot of people have a lot of different tools that might coincide with ours. So we just wanted to come up with a little way to delineate between ours and theirs, just to make sure that nothing accidentally walked out of the building or there was any kind of mix-ups between kits on different tables, so people knew what was ours and what they could take home. In a previous video, I mentioned that we were going to add some of the ticks. So we did that on tools that made sense. Didn't make sense to do it on batteries or anything like that. But so far, that's looking pretty cool. Obviously tools with the one key, we don't need to do that too. It's a built-in system. But for things such as tape measures, hold saw kits, things like that, it doesn't really necessarily make sense to put a tracker on those. It's going to make the box sit all wonky. So we fabbed up a little brand for our branding iron. There's going to be a couple more as well coming, but we have some video of how this was made. It's just brass that we CNC'd, drilled, tapped. All that footage will be coming, and we'll show you how well it works at the end of this. Not too chill. All right, so you saw how this was made. This is piping hot. Obviously, you can see we've used it a couple of times. Another little thing is we didn't laser engrave everything because ABS doesn't engrave very well. And this is a lot quicker to just go around and stamp everything. So it is simply just press, wait, I don't know, 10 seconds or so. And we have a nice little mHUB logo emblazoned on all our stuff. Helps to delineate between ours and theirs. Make sure that there's no arguments between anything that might be given away. It fits the majority of our tools. We're going to make some smaller ones. You can see this is walking slightly. Yeah, that wasn't quite as good. Admittedly, some interns were helping with this, and they got a little better at it than I did, but project success. So now we can mark our tools. Everyone's happy, make sure nothing stays or walks as it's supposed to. Thank you for joining us on this episode of mHUB Inside. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.